Okay. Chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. Then chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Then chapter 3, atoms and molecules. Chapter 4, structure of the atom. Clear? So these are the portions for chemistry. I will repeat it once again. Chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. Then chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Then chapter 3, atoms and molecules. Then chapter 4, structure of the atom. Only 4 chapters. Okay. And from today onwards, all of you must attend all the classes regularly. And all of you should switch on your videos. And also you have to remember to write down the points during the online class itself. Okay, you have to complete the notes on the day itself. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ma'am,
Isha,
give
tell me.
the main notes, right? Other than lecture notes in the class itself.
Yeah, in the notes, you have to just note down the main notes. But along with class, you can point out this lecture notes. Okay, that's helpful for your further studies. Yeah, Isha.
Will you send the main notes in the class
Yes,
group?
sure, sure. I will send it. Okay. Like the last year, same thing. I will post it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, clear? So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that, I wish you all the very best. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so we are just starting with chapter 2. Okay, chapter 1 in the last year, chapter 1 was deleted from the syllabus. But this year, there is no such information given, but we can take this chapter 1 after these 4 chapters. Okay, so we can start with chapter 2. So you can write down chapter 2 is matter around us pure. You can just write down chapter 2. Is the screen visible for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Okay. Just wait. Okay, that's the name of the chapter. So the name of the chapter itself asks a question, right? Is matter around us pure? Is matter around us pure? So in order to answer this question, you have to know about 2 points. Okay. In order to answer this question, you have to know about 2 points. First one is matter. What do you mean by matter? How can we define matter?
Ma'am, anything that occupies space and has mass.
Ah, that's very good, Alsan. That's correct. Anything that occupies space and has mass. That's the definition for matter. Okay? Anything that occupies space and has mass. So can you give one example for matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass.
Oxygen.
Yeah, oxygen. Then everything around us is matter. So you can tell me.
Carbon dioxide.
Just tell me simple examples.
Humans.
Yeah, Lakshmi?
Humans.
Yeah, humans. Then
And
plants. Huh?
Solids.
Which one?
Solids.
Solids. Okay, solids. The air we breathe, the food we eat, plants, animals, stones, desk, table, everything is an example for matter. Okay, so you can just write matter. Just wait. You can write matter. Just wait. Matter. Anything that occupies space. Anything that occupy space and has mass. And has mass. Okay, this is the definition for matter. Then example, air, then plants, animals, food, stones, etc. Okay, this is clear. Anything that occupies space and has mass is considered as a matter. And these are the examples for matter: air, plants, animals, food, stones, etc. Okay, this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshmi CV, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass. Example, plants, food, stone, etc.
Okay. So the next word that you have to know in this title, that is pure. Okay, pure. What do you mean by pure?
Ma'am,
Pure.
clean and clear.
Clean. Then any other answer? Clean.
Ma'am,
Good.
something that is in its purest form, that is, it is not a mixture of any other substance.
Okay, not a mixture. That's right. Then no impurity. Right. Okay, these are the meanings of pure in a general sense. Right. Okay, look at this example. A glass full of milk. A glass full of milk. It looks pretty clean, right? Pretty clean in appearance, right? Can we say it as pure?
No.
Why?
No.
Ma'am,
Something we have to
Yes, tell me.
check.
Hmm?
There's poison. Ma'am,
No. Yes, any other answer?
Bacteria.
Ma'am, bacteria.
Bacteria. It's in no other impurity there. Then tell me. It's milk itself, no other impurity added. Then can we say it as pure?
Yes.
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Hmm? Yes?
Yes.
Is it yes or no?
Yes.
But it is no. Okay.
No. No.
Because in the sense, according to science, we can define pure substance in a different way. Okay. In science, we can define pure substance in a different way. Pure substance consists of single type of particle. Okay. Pure substance consists of single type of particle. Then you just asked which are the substances there in milk, right? This is the question arise in your head, isn't it? Milk consists
Yes.
of proteins, fats, water, etc. So it does not consist of a single type of particle. So it is not considered as a pure substance. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so you can write
Yes, ma'am.
pure substance. Next heading, pure substance. Pure substance. It consists of only single type of particle. Okay, can you give one example for this type of substances, pure substances? Anyone? Pure substances.
Oxygen.
Yeah, oxygen. That's right.
Ma'am, so can we say
Nitrogen.
water as pure?
Yes, dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, can we consider water as a pure substance?
Yeah,
Because
water
it's a-
drop or water is a pure substance if it consists only water molecules. Okay, so you can write water drop. Yes.
Ma'am, but water is a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. Right?
It's okay, but it consists of single type of particle. That is, water molecules are only there, right? No other mixture there. Okay, that we can learn in detail in this chapter itself. We can again classify this pure substances into elements and compounds. Both belongs to the category pure substance. Okay, dear? Okay, so oxygen, water drop, then salt, sugar, gold, these all are considered as pure substances. Okay, in the case of salt, only salt is there. Salt particles are there. In the case of sugar, only sugar is there. And in the case of gold, only gold atoms are there. Okay, so in this way, we can say that these are the examples of pure substances. Clear? This is clear? Yes. Then what's the opposite of pure?
Impure.
Impure. Or otherwise it is known as Isha. Can you say that word once again? You just tell that word in the beginning of the class. Other word for this impure.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
compose.
Yeah, Lynette, that's it. Mixture. Okay. Impure substance, otherwise known as mixture. So how can we define a mixture? How can we define a mixture?
Consists of one or more type of particle.
Yeah, it consists of more than one type of particle. Okay, you can write that mixtures it consists of more than one type of particle. More than one type of particle. What about examples?
Carbon dioxide.
There is only carbon and oxygen is there. That means carbon dioxide, only carbon dioxide molecules are there. So we cannot consider carbon dioxide as an impure substance or a mixture. Milk,
Alloy.
I told you. Yeah, alloy. That's right. Air, yeah, air. Then it consists of different gases. Soil, these are examples for mixtures. Sorry, in the case of milk, I told you fat is there, protein is there, water is there. So there are different types of substances. So milk,
What is
then
alloy?
alloy means mixture of metals. Okay, mixture of metals. Mixture of metals. Then air consists of different types of gases, right? Air consists of different types of gases. So these are the examples for mixtures. Okay, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you completed? Yes, or
ma'am.
yes?
Yeah.
Huh? Completed? Yes, right? Okay. So we can divide matter into two types of substances. Okay, we can divide matter into two types of substances. First one, pure substance. And the second one is mixtures. Okay, first one, pure substance. And second one is mixtures. Tamanna, I just rub that portion. You want the definition for pure substance, Tamanna? It consists of, you can write, it consists of single type of particle. It consists of single type of particle. And example, oxygen, then salt, sugar, gold, water drop, etc. Okay. So matter is divided into pure substances and mixtures. You can write matter is divided into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance. Next one, mixtures. Okay, so these two are the main classifications of matter. Now I'm repeating my question once again. That's the name of the title. Is matter around us pure? Yes or no?
No.
And not
No.
every matter
No.
is pure.
Yes, that's the answer. Not every matter is considered to be pure because there are two types of matter, pure substances and mixtures. In the case of pure substances, they are pure, but in the case of mixtures, they consist of more than one type of particle. So it's not considered to be pure. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will show you the slides of this portion. First one, is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. Okay, just wait. Okay, pure substances. Pure substances, it consists of single type of particle. Okay, pure substances consist of single type of particle. Example, we just write this example: sugar, then salt, then water drop, gold, etc. Okay. Shall I move to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next one, it's mixtures. Okay, mixtures consist of different types of particles, and the examples are, just wait. Okay, examples are, which are the examples? Tell me.
Milk.
Milk.
Yeah, milk,
Salt,
then soil, then
Soil.
milk, soil,
Air.
air, etc. Okay, fine. So milk consists of which all particles? Milk consists of
Carbon dioxide.
Protein.
milk consists of
Protein.
protein,
water,
fat. Okay. Then soil consists of sand, dirt, then etc. Okay. Okay. Yes. So we can classify this matter into pure substances and mixtures. Is this topic clear for you? We just learned what is matter, then examples for matter. Then we classify matter into two types of substances, pure substances and mixtures. Examples for pure substance and examples for mixtures. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Anyone? No. Okay, Nigila, can you define matter? Nigila? Nigila? Yes, yes.
Occupies a space is known as matter.
Yeah, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass also. Okay. Advait Murali, can you give some examples for matter?
Animal, food.
Yeah, animals, food, air, plants, everything. Okay. Then how can we classify matter? Amin?
Pure and impure.
or otherwise pure substance and mixture. You can prefer pure substance and mixtures here, okay, rather than impure. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then Vaishnavi, what do you mean by pure substance? Not audible, dear.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
consists only of one single particle in
Okay,
it.
single type of particle. Alan, give an example for pure substance.
Oxygen, water drop,
Oxygen, water drop, gold. Okay.
salt,
Suryadev.
sugar, salt.
Okay, okay, fine. Suryadev, what about mixture? What
It
about-
consists of more than one particle.
Okay, more than one type of particle. Then Isha, can you give one example for mixture?
Ma'am, soil.
Okay, soil, then milk, etc. Okay, children, then let me take your attendance. Just wait. Adigesh,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram,
Present, ma'am.
Adelio,
Present, ma'am.
Advaid Murali,
Present, ma'am.
Advaid Sinu,
Present, ma'am.
Alsan, Alsan, Albert, Alan,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Alvin. Okay, Alsan is there. Okay. Alvin. Alvin. Amaljit.
Present, ma'am.
Amin.
Present, ma'am.
Anandida.
Present, ma'am.
Anashwara.
Present, ma'am.
Anjana.
Present, ma'am.
Benedict. Benedict. Fadil.
Ma'am.
Kira.
Present, ma'am.
Kenin.
Present, ma'am.
Ritvik. Ritvik. Irene Maria.
Ma'am, present.
Isha Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
Ken Shibin.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi CV.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nandakumar.
Present, ma'am.
Lynette.
Present, ma'am.
Nadeem. Nadeem. Oh, okay. Nandana. Nandana.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Navaneet.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Nigila. Nivedya.
Present, ma'am.
Pooja.
Present, ma'am.
Sridev.
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev.
Present, ma'am.
Tamanna.
Present, ma'am.
Tom Jose.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any new admission here? No one. No one, right? Okay, children. So I will post you the notes in your WhatsApp group. Then just read your textbook, just the introduction part. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Okay. Okay, then. Okay, bye. Then we can see you in the next class. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you soon, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Ellen. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay.